Gentlemen, it's Coach Vigue. Tired of feeling stiff, old, tight, hunched over, and all that constant pain in your body? Well, this stretch is just for you. All body weight, no weights, no machines. Click that like button and let's go. All right, my friends, deep breathing. Let's start in downward facing dog. Modify as needed, always use control. We're gonna press back, stretching your glutes, your hamstrings, your calves. About once a month, I like to bring a new yoga flow for men onto my channel. Of course, anyone can do it and get great benefits, but I always wanna get more guys into a regular yoga practice. Let's walk the legs slowly. Relax the shoulders, lots of breath. Practice, practice, practice. Keep the fingers and toes loose. Little blood to the brain. Shake out the fingers, shake out the toes. We want to stretch and release everything in about 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes. Do it with me. All right, knees coming down as wide as you feel comfortable and press back. Child's pose, long stretch in the spine. You might hear or feel some sounds in your back. Sway it back and forth. These are stretches I do pretty much every day as well to stay limber, especially now that I'm 50. Side to side. You're as young as your spine, right? Want to vacate that tension that gets in the lower back, especially the middle back as well. All right, forward, hands and knees position, and take that right leg out. Left arm if you like, balance the cat. Core, balance, breath. 3 breaths right here. Let me know if something's biting me. It's very wet out here. Things like to bite Coach Vigue. Nice long lines. Other side. Give you a good balance in the abdominals, lower back, hips and glutes. Left leg, right arm optional. Elbow is in. Eyes to the mat, so the back of your neck is nice and long. One more breath. Yeah. Downward facing dog. Press it back. Shake out the legs. Keep it loose. Love that. Now take your right foot. You can lift the leg up if you like, or simply bring the right foot forward into a lunge position. You also drop that back knee down if you like. Take this arm. Reach it up. Oh, you must do lunge with a twist every day. Opening up the whole body, getting some nice rotation. If you like, you can also take the arm to your back. Roll this shoulder back. If this left knee is off the mat, my friend, stretch out that leg. What I mean by that is press your left heel towards the floor. Stay in that pose. Okay, spider. The old spider blow. Hey. Ausgezeichnet size. Step back, down dog. Shake out the legs and balance. Balance it out, other side. We have the lunge. Stretch that leg. You feel this stretch in your hip extender, hip flexor, in your glute, and then we open up. Or take the arm to the back. Lots of breath. Open it up. 3 more breaths. Oh, that is so good. Rotational, nice twisting, releases tension in your back from sitting, standing, whatever you're doing. Step back, down dog. Again, shake it out, press into the hands. And speaking of rotation, take the feet together. Bend the knees a little bit, and then, what was that sound? We go side to side, twist. Oh my goodness. All these things happening, stretching the shoulders, of course, in the back, and massaging your sides. Can you stand it? Can you take it? All right, knees down. Ooh, press it back. A few shoulder rolls here. Keep them loose. Nice loose shoulder rolls. Nice loose shoulders, opening the chest. Call me Big Pop. Come on down. Been wanting to say that for a while. Come on down onto your stomachs, my friends. Hands on the shoulders, you know what's coming. We're gonna lift up here, cobra, or press up, lengthening the arms as we open up the front. Strengthen the back in an up dog or a cobra, or put your forearms down. Don't bite me. In Tennessee, you tell the bugs not to bite you, they say, okay. Okay, stretch, squeeze the glutes, knees off the mat if you like. You could do a whole half hour of just up dogs. Strengthen the whole body. Get off my arms. But let's do one more breath. And now don't click away. Check this out. Lower down. Fingers here or out here. Bend that right leg, open up into a scorpion. You can also extend this arm, this left arm. Ooh. Feel it out. Press into the right hand to facilitate that twist. Good old scorpion. Great for anybody. First was introduced to this in martial arts. Great for your back. So good for your back. Other side. What is this? Schmutzig. I don't know what's with all the German today. Here we are. Or the arm could come out here. Play with that scorpion. I don't recommend with a real one, but play with this one. Ooh-wee. Feel that in the glutes as well. Oh, yeah. All right, bring it back. Ooh, press up, shake it out. I don't want to keep you too long. Just want to give you some great stretches you can do over and over and over for optimal mobility, flexibility, well-being. Bring the right leg forward, pigeon pose. Walk this foot as far forward as comfortable. You can also bend this back leg here, stretch it out. Now you can keep it here in a nice proud or walk the hands forward and also add a twist. Bring the forearm down, bend that back leg. We're talking quad and hip flexor. With the rotation, there's so much rotation. Rotation is life. Oh, rotation is when you're a kid playing outside all day. You open up this area that gives you so much difficulty as we get older. As we get stagnant, we stop training it. The sides, the abdominals, the low back. Pull as you exhale. And twist and pull. Not for the faint of heart, but it's essential. Do it. Pigeon, massage it side to side. And then other side. Bring that left leg forward. We doing all right? Look great. Looking good. Get, that's better. Get it. All right, we have proud, or if you want to twist it, you want to do both, just pause it, go ahead. Forearm down, twist and pull. As you exhale, pull and twist. There's people walking over there. Good, your breath negotiates every movement, every, quote, stretch or pose. The breath is negotiating on your behalf to deepen it, to improve it. All right, release, step back. Let's finish it off. Bring the right foot forward. You have lunge again. You can drop the knee, and let's rock it back and forth. I have not found a better stretch for hamstrings, glutes, and calves than right here. We have lunge into pyramid or low lunge into runner's lunge. You can always pause this. Just keep doing it. Do it for a few minutes on each side. And you'll discover so many things unlocked. In lunge, lift tall with the upper body and then stretch. I'm gonna do 2 more each one. Share this with a guy who needs to stretch. Even if they do one of these poses, other side, be better than none, right? 1 apple a week is better than none. Excuse me. Imagine if you did it every day, had an apple every day. All right, 2 more of each one, my friend. Looking good, looking good. Always in real time. I'll do it with you. Give you a sense of flow and connection from one pose and stretch to the next. Okay, shake it out. Shake it out. Finish with some shoulder rolls here. Beautiful work, my friends. How did that feel? Feel good? Do it once, do it twice, do it 3 times. And if you liked it, click that like button, click that subscribe button, or click that thumbs up button, I guess it's called, and always click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. Let me show you a few new things that I got going on. What am I saying? That I have going on right now. That could have been better. Anything else to say, Addie? You want to add anything? She smells. But congratulations. I'll see you on the mat, and enjoy your day.